Recording in progress.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Uh, are you with notebook?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good morning. Let us see where we were yesterday. Which thing we have started. Meanwhile, students will join. Let us see what we have seen yesterday. Okay, so are you able to see a screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So what you are observing on the screen?
Moment of a force.
Moment of force.
Moment of hosts. What is moment? What we have seen yesterday?
Rotational effect of force.
Rotational effect.
Rotational effect of force. Okay. So in simple words, we can say a moment is nothing but rotational effect produced by the force on a body. Means once there will be force applied on the body, it will produce some rotational effect. That effect is nothing but moment. After that, we have seen moment of a force. Moment of a force about a point is the product of the magnitude of the force and the perpendicular distance between the point. Which point in this definition? So which is this point actually? The point means which point?
Turning point.
Turning point. Okay, partially correct, but exactly which point? Perpendicular distance between point. Which is that point? Desired point, required point. At that point, what we want to calculate?
Moment.
Moment. The point means which is this point? The point at which we want to calculate moment. The point at, you should not select random point from the object or the body. It should not. That point, which is that point where we want to calculate a moment. Or somebody has given right answer. Where what answer was given by somebody just before? Rotational effect something. What was the answer given? Turning point something has told. Turning point or something. Okay, it is partially correct, but if you say exactly which is that point, so that point is nothing but where we want to calculate moment, the point at which we want to calculate moment. That is the point. So what is moment? Moment of a force is the product of magnitude of the force and the perpendicular distance between the point and the line of action of force. Further, moment generally it is indicated by m. Suppose we want to calculate moment at point A, then in that case we are indicating as ma. Okay, something like this. Suppose we want to calculate at point D in this way, MAMD. At that point we are going to calculate, and a simple formula for the moment is nothing but what? Moment is equal to, am I audible?
Magnitude of force
Magnitude
into
of force
perpendicular
into
distance.
Very good. Magnitude. Whose magnitude?
Magnitude of force.
Magnitude of force.
force.
Magnitude of force and perpendicular distance between what? Perpendicular distance we have to take. Perpendicular distance, okay. But between which two things we have to take perpendicular distance?
Between the point and the line of action of force.
Very good.
Desired point and line of action of.
Very good. Exactly. desired point, or we can say the point at which we want to calculate moment. Simple language, the point at which we want to calculate moment and line of action of force, that we are going to see very carefully. You will come to know once we are going to solve problem. Today we are going to solve problem, you will come to know what is unit of moment, as it is a product of force and perpendicular distance.
Newton meter.
Newton meter.
Newton meter. Then sign convention, as a like force, in moment also, sign convention is most important. What is that sign convention? A force can rotate the body either in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Accordingly, moment of the force can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. So how sign convention will be given for the moment? If a particular force will generate or produce clockwise rotational effect, then what should be the sign we should consider for that moment? If it is clockwise,
Positive.
clockwise will be positive and anti-clockwise will be
Negative.
in that way we have to consider sign convention. Getting this one just we have seen, let me know. Yes, almost all the students joined. So this was just a mere revision what we have seen yesterday. What is moment, to whom we are calling, how it is produced, where we are calculating, what is formula, what is unit, and what is sign convention. Sign convention is most important. What is sign convention? Okay, then simple examples we have seen. Simple example. So here as a trigonometry, you remember as a part of not only trigonometry, I will say geometry, not trigonometry. Whenever we want to get a perpendicular distance between a suppose line. So here I will give example. So suppose this is straight line. I have not drawn exactly. It is something like curve. So suppose this distance is d1. So this is also one of the distance from this line of action of force F, and this one is D. Okay, this is also distance. So whenever we want to calculate, shortest distance between the desired point or point at which we want to calculate moment and the line of action of force, how should be that distance? When we are going to say that distance is minimum distance between that point, how should be that line? Means in short, I will ask here, from this point I want minimum distance. So what care I have to take? I should draw a line which will be perpendicular to. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So here there is a desired point O. Here it is a desired point O. This one is also D1 distance, but it is not minimum. But this D distance is minimum between line of action of force F and this point O. Why this D1 is not minimum? D1 is not minimum. D is minimum. Why it is so? Because the distance between suppose two parallel line or 2 points, it will be minimum only when that line, particular line, is perpendicular line. So here it is a perpendicular, that's why. So that we have to take care. If there is one line and we want to take distance from one of the point and we want to calculate minimum distance, then we should draw perpendicular line. Then only minimum distance we will get. Then only we will get minimum distance. Okay. Just we have discussed. So here we can say something like this in terms of D1 will be greater than D, no? It will be something like this. So perpendicularity you have to consider, that's all, nothing else. So in other cases we have seen this example. Here there will be two persons are sitting what seesaw or something. So where it will remain stationary. We have just calculated what rotational effect. By this and by this is going to cancel and it will remain stationary. Likewise we have seen. Further we have solved very simple problems having a simple component. Force is given. So I have given here one thumb rule, how to check a rotational effect, whether it will be clockwise or anti-clockwise. How we are going to check whether it will be clockwise or anti-clockwise? Suppose component number 1, we want to check whether once that force is applied, having magnitude 100 kilonewton, so how will be moment at point A? How we are going to check? Because it is always not possible to imagine that looking to the diagram. How we can check then? Yesterday I have given one thumb rule. Whatever point it is there, at what point you want to calculate moment, that point you should imagine that point you hold in your left hand. की तो point A तुम्ही left hand न पकडलेला आहे. You have hold point A in your left hand or by the left hand, then you can imagine force is applied. Then you can see whether object will rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. These are simple objects that it may feel it is very simple, but once we are going to go in further problems, a little imagination is required. So just now I have given one thumb rule. You can check that point by, you can hold, you can imagine that particular point where you want to calculate moment. You can imagine that point is hold म्हणजे पकडलेला आहे. In short, you hold that point and you have applied the force. Either it will rotate in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Correct? Are you with me? I'm not getting responses.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, these problems we solved yesterday by applying same logic, whatever we have seen. Further, here solved problems. Actually, here we have solved. Here just we cross checked. Here answers are already there, but still we have solved. Okay. Further, one more important thing we have seen related to moment. What was that? Looking to this slide, try to give responses. Let it be correct or incorrect. What?
If the line of action of force
Perpendicular
is passing
distance
through
is
desired
Perpendicular
point,
distances.
Somebody is told correct. Continue once again.
if
I
the
think-
line of action of force is passing through desired point, the distance between the point and the line of action of force is 0. Hence, moment is 0.
Very good. 100% correct. Thank you. So if the conclusion of this is that whatever is told right now, very good. Such responses I want, and these names will be counted at last. So those who are giving responses, okay. So you should not wait for opportunity. You should not wait for opportunity. You should what? You should grab opportunity. Mera number kab aayega? You should not wait. Immediately you should take initiative. Immediately you should tell, irrespective of whether you are knowing or not knowing. I will not what we can say shout. You should grab the opportunity immediately and you should give response so that you will understand. Okay, so those who are giving responses, I am noting their name. Don't worry. So looking to this diagram, very simple. If you'll see, we want to calculate at a moment at point A, and 300 kilonewton force is applied. Suppose I will give name to that point at B. Okay, and suppose we want to calculate effect of this force 300 kilonewton at point A. So if we will see, and which principle we will apply here, or on the basis of what you are saying line of action of this force is passing. Which principle we have seen just before 2-3 lectures? What was that principle? Or law? What was the name of that law?
Law
Law
of
of transmissibility of force.
transmissibility of force.
Very good. Law of transmissibility of force, or principle of transmissibility of force. Both is correct. Both are correct. Don't worry. So that we have applied. Though here, those who were absent yesterday, you may feel the force is here at point B. The force is here at point B. How we can show this force? It is passing through point A. So here that law comes into picture now. The law of transmissibility of force. Once we are going to extend line of action of force, this 300 kilonewton force, it will pass. Definitely, it will pass through point A. That's why rotational effect, as we know, here I have written also, as we know, this moment is what? Force into perpendicular distance. Force we know 300 kilonewton, but this distance is going to become 0 because that line of action of force itself is passing through point. That's why it will become 0. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
So
Yes,
very
sir.
good. So here same explanation is given, nothing else. There is no rocket science, only understanding is important. Then we have started to solve this problem. Okay, so what was that? Find
Movement of force.
Moment of force about point B.
find moment of force or moment of forces.
Forces.
Forces. You should read very carefully. So because if you'll see the diagram, there is no force. There are forces. There is no single force. No. So there are forces. So let us start. So once such problem will be in front of you. Let's problem is in front of you. First you have to check how many forces are there in this system.
4.
Four
Four.
Four forces. With the beginning, problem is very simple, but let us have a practice to solve how we can solve. So with the beginning, okay, so 4 forces are there in this. 4 forces are there in this system. Getting? Yes. I will start here. So you can either given, suppose force, I will say, let us give name. So I will say for this force, suppose P1, or we will say for our while, this force is P, anything you can say, it doesn't matter. I will say it as a P2, P3, P4. Okay, so total 4 forces are acting. And what we want to calculate? What we want to calculate?
Movement.
At point what? We want to calculate,
B.
but point is
B.
important.
Moment of
Four
forces
points
at
meaning
point
four
B.
points are
Movement of force about point B.
at point
B. B.
to calculate moment at point B. Okay, so as total 4 forces are there, we have to calculate moment. First we have to calculate moment due to each force at point B. What I am telling, we have to calculate moment due to each force with respect to point B, and finally just we have to add. By considering its sign. What I have told, as there are 4 forces in this system and we want to calculate moment at point B, what we are supposed to do, simply we should calculate moment due to all forces with respect to point B, and finally what we have to do? Just we have to add that moment. Are you getting? So let us start. Let us say first moment due to which force? Which is our first force? Moment
P1.
moment due to P1 equal to 60 Newton force. Okay, moment due to P1 is equal to 60 Newton force. I will say like this. What will be the moment due to 60 Newton force at point B?
Meter.
2 meter.
Moment due to which force is our P1 force?
60 Newton.
What is the formula to calculate moment? Suppose I will say M1 for this. M1 means what will be that? M1 is equal to what will be that? What is formula?
into D.
P1 into D.
Very good. P1 into D. Tell me what will be that?
180 Newton.
See.
180.
Minus 180.
Very at what point we want to calculate? तुमच्या लक्षात आलं का P1 force
At
काय?
point B ना
B.
Zero, sir.
0 येतं ना सर at point B म्हटलं तर.
सांगताय का विचारताय? साक्षी, no?
Yes, sir.
Are you telling or are you asking? 0 येतंय हे सांगताय का विचारताय?
I think 0 येते ते तुम्हाला विचारते ते येते का?
Yes, it is 0.
Sir, perpendicular distance 0 आहे
Zero
तिथं.
आहे.
Zero.
Yes,
Ah, sir.
exactly. I am shocked. Who has given answer as 180? Frankly speaking, don't worry. I am not going to shout. Who has given answer as 180?
Answer.
How you feel that 180? कसं काय वाटलं तुम्हाला 180 येतंय? Let it be. Let me know what you have thought. तुम्हाला असं का वाटलं की 180 येते? Why it is so?
I cannot see. I cannot see. I cannot consider B point.
Then which point do you consider?
I'm randomly calculate.
Randomly. How moment we can calculate randomly? Moment cannot be calculated randomly. There should be one particular point. For this particular problem, you can solve n number of problems. You can take any random point in between. You can take A, B, C, D, anything if distances are given. While calculating moment, the point B is important. No, for this problem, it is asked to calculate moment due to all forces about point B. So it is 0. It is 0. So those who have given, be confident. Be confident. From yesterday, same sentence I am repeating. So it is 0. Why it is 0?
Perpendicular distance is 0.
Perpendicular
Distance is 0.
Perpendicular distance is 0, or that force itself is passing through that point B. In other words, we can say that force itself is passing through point B. So there is no question to have a rotational effect. There is no question of to have a rotational effect. Perpendicular distance is 0, absolutely correct. Also, that force itself is passing. So that should be your explanation. So be careful. Be careful. I am worried about. You should be very careful. Now, which is our second force? Which is our second force? So
P2 50 Newton.
P2
Newton.
50 Newton.
I will write here. Okay. So just do something like this. M2. Let us say M2. Our second force is what? 50 Newton.
P2 50 Newton.
50 no. Sorry, 50 Newton. So what will be the moment?
P2
Zero.
into D. And
P2
moment
into
is D.
D.
P2 into 50.
P2 is 50 into D. How much is D?
0.
0.
Be careful. How much is D? It will be 0.
2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody is given answer as a 2. Anisha, are you given answer?
Line
sir.
of action of
No,
force
no,
passing
no,
through
sir.
the
That force also it is passing through
Passing
point B.
through point.
That force is also going to pass through point B itself, because which principle we are going to apply?
transmissibility of force.
Transmissibility of force.
Law of transmissibility of force. Law of transmissibility of force. If at all, though it is applied at point A, if at all we are going to extend line of action of that 50 Newton force, are you imagining from whether it will pass through point B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Definitely it will pass through point B. Definitely. So try to imagine. That's why I was taught that concept very slowly. So you should not make mistakes now. What will be this then?
0.
Again it will be 0. Again it will be 0. Let us go next. Two forces are over. Next force P3, which is
150 Newton.
150 Newton.
150 Newton.
let us see. Which is that force P3 equal to 150, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, M3. What is M3? M3 result rate काय करता?
P3 into D.
No. What is M3?
150.
No. What is M3? M3 stands for what? M stands for movement and 3 stands for?
Due to
of
third
P3.
Third.
Correct.
Due to
Due to
P3.
P3 force.
Very good. Moment due to P3 force. With respect to what point again? regular point our which is what considered six which was that B point.
B point.
B point P3 into D.
D.
Now tell me what is the value now before that
Minus
now
P3 into D.
huh?
Minus P3 into D.
Minus P3. Very good. Why we have taken minus?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
That force will have effect as a anti-clockwise. Suppose now, so now there is no question of this, left hand, right hand. Now you should imagine that B point you are holding your right hand side, and that P3 force is applied from the left hand side. So are you able to imagine that object will rotate, or it will have rotational effect in anti-clockwise direction?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir.
So minus 150 into now perpendicular distance.
2 meter.
I am expecting answer here from all.
2
Supriya,
meter.
2 meter.
Yes, sir. 2 meter.
2 meter. Anybody is having answer as a 3 meter? Anybody or all are agree for 2 meter? So how it is 2 meter? Because distance between this is 2 meter. 2 meter because this line, if at all, so you may feel this force it at this corner and our desired point is here at this corner. You may feel but once you are going to law of transmission, apply law of transmissibility of force, this force will come here, no? So इथं असं दाखवू शकतो and this will be minimum distance then. So whether this diagonal distance is minimum distance between point B and that point 150 Newton force, हे minimum आहे का?
No,
It is
sir.
not.
No, sir. No.
It is not. But for that, how we can get minimum distance? We can transfer that force so that we will get minimum distance. And minimum distance between this will be 2 meter. येते का लक्षात? Are you able to apply your
Yes,
mind?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In that way, you
Yes,
should
sir.
apply. So it will be 2 meter. 2. And what will be the answer then?
Minus 300.
Minus 300.
Newton meter.
Minus 300 Newton meter. M3. M3. Any problem?
No, sir.
Next. Let us take now P4. P4 equal to how much force is there?
100
100 Newton.
100 Newton. Okay. Therefore, M4 is equal to. Is it positive or is it negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Imagine point B you hold in your right hand side and that 100 Newton force is applied at point C. How object will rotate? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Very good. Anti-clockwise. So which sign we have to consider for moment?
Negative.
Minus.
Negative.
Negative. So minus P4 into
Into D.
D.
calculate. What is the value of force? 100
100.
into tell me
3.
distance.
3.
3.
3.
3.
3. Anybody want to give answer as a 2 or anybody
Yes,
is
sir.
2 or 3?
I think so too.
On which basis? Means here it is a force, no? 100. See here it is a
Yes,
force.
sir. But
And here it is a 3 meter distance here. So what will be the distance? Means what will be this distance? I'm not asking. I think Sima or Supriya, I don't know. B to C. What will be this distance? Whoever is feeling there may be 2. What is this distance? Curly bracket just now I have drawn.
3.
What will be this distance?
3.
Be frank, don't worry. कुणाला वाटत होतं हे 2 वाट आहे हे मी आता काढलाय बघा कर्ली ब्रॅकेट. What will be that distance? 3, no?
Sir. 3.
3. Then what should be our answer then?
Minus 300 Newton
Minus
meter.
300 Newton meter.
So it is 3. So it will be minus 300 Newton meter. So finally here MB. What is MB?
Addition of all moment of
All.
forces.
Very good. M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. Just there is limitation of space. So what will be that? You add now and you tell directly. I have limitation of
Minus
space.
600 Newton meter.
Minus 600
Minus
Newton
600
meter.
Newton meter.
Minus 600 Newton meter. MB. Minus 600 Newton meter. What you will say? Any problem? Very simple, very simple. With the beginning, we are solving simple. Problems will not be so simple. Okay, but still we are solving. Okay, simple problem. So now, if you'll find the final values, value of MB, or we have found out final value of moment at point B, what will be your conclusion? Anybody want to conclude or want to give your opinion by observing the value of moment? Let it be value, sign, whatever. Moment, final moment you observe. Do you want to give opinion or your value? Moment.
Object will rotate in
Rotate in
anti-clockwise direction.
Anti-clockwise
Very
direction.
good. Very good. That I was expecting. Looking to the sign of moment, you can say what if these many forces are applied on the body. If these many forces will be applied on body, that body will rotate in
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise
Clockwise direction.
Clockwise
that
direction.
body will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. That should be your final conclusion. It is not asked, it will not be asked. Your answer is over. Don't worry, your answer is over. But being an engineer, we should have that opinion or a way of thinking. Okay, being an engineer, we should have a way of thinking in that way. Okay, have you understood? Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Little I
sir.
am worried about few of you. You are making either you are making hurry or I don't know. Very slowly we are going. Keep in mind. Very slowly. Shall we go next? Any problem? Somebody want to ask?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So have you observed? Have you observed in this case? There is no any force. It is inclined. Either force is horizontal or vertical. Have you observed that thing in this? So whatever forces are given, these are in this system, in this particular problem. Either it is horizontal or vertical. So this thing you observe in further problems, force will come inclined. Force is going to come inclined. Okay, in further problem. At that position, we have to resolve that force. That we will see. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
I think this is and this one is same. 50, 50. Okay, same problem is there. Don't worry. Next, simple one. Anybody can read?
A force of 1.2 kilonewton acts on a bracket. Find the moment of the force with respect to point A.
With respect to point A. Thank you. Very good. So one bracket means nothing but a mechanical component or component. Name of body is bracket. So we should not think what is bracket, etc. So whatever this component is given, something like U shape. Okay. So it is a bracket and only one force is applied. 1 point. So here 1.2 kilonewton. In statement it is given 1.2 and in figure it is shown 12. So one we will finalize. So let us, I will give point here. Okay, 1.2 kilonewton. So we will take 1.2 kilonewton. Let me write first itself. So observe the problem or given. So I will write P. Only one force is there. So there is no question of writing P1, P2, P3. So 1.2. So first, let us say 1.2. Or shall we take as 12? One value we will fix. Either we can take 1.2 or 12 kilonewton.
1.2.
Okay, we will continue with 1.2. So by mistake it is shown as this. Okay, so point A is here. Let us see point A here. It is here. Point A. Okay, at that point we are supposed to find what?
Moment of force.
Moment. So question number 1, how many forces are there in this system?
3.
3. Which are they?
1,
No, sir, 1.
1, sir.
1,
Sir. 1.
Who has given answer as 3 then? Rutuja, do you feel
Sir,
free?
by mistake, I not read question.
Okay. So only one force is there, 1.2. Only one force is there. Okay, 1.2. But and where we want to calculate? At point A. Okay. So whether that force is horizontal or vertical, whatever it is given, 1.2. Is it horizontal or is it vertical, or it is is it inclined?
Inclined.
It is
Inclined.
inclined.
it is inclined. That force is inclined. With how much degree and with whom?
30 degree.
30 degree
30 degree.
30
Along horizontal axis.
with horizontal.
Very good. It is inclined at 30 degree with horizontal. It is inclined 30 degree with horizontal. Okay, so in this way. So if I will draw this diagram, we can see. If I will draw here that diagram, suppose how it will be. Maybe this point. Okay, so simple. I will draw in this way. My lines will not come straight. Try to understand. Then this. Okay, and here a force. How much? This point is A. This one is 120 distance. This one is 140. And here angle is given as how much? 30 degree. This one is how much force? 1.2 kilonewton. Pre-body diagram or forces we are showing here. Okay. Then this point is C. Okay. This point is C and this one is B. Okay. So at what point we are supposed to calculate moment? At point A. So if you'll see the force, correct? If you'll see the force and if you'll draw this, so it will go like this. So whatever this distance is there, it will be the minimum distance. Minimum distance, or we can't predict here. We can't predict. That's why whatever that inclination is given, at point C, we have to resolve this force. Now resolution of force will come into picture. Okay, so we have to resolve this force, 1.2 kilonewton. So in which quadrant this force will come?
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. So what will be its horizontal component and what will be its vertical component? Or how to get its horizontal and vertical component? आता ह्याला कसं रिझॉल्व्ह करावं लागेल या फोर्सला at point C? How we can resolve? What will be, suppose I want to have its x component in this way. So what will be it? So here I will draw resolve force 1.2 kilonewton. Therefore x component equal to, what will be that x component?
1.03.
1.2 cos 30.
1.2.
Cos 30.
Cos 30.
Any objection? Anybody is having objection on this? Why we have taken cosine function here?
Because angle made
Because
with that.
angle made by with x-axis.
Yes, angle made with x-axis. Tell me, what is the answer?
1.03.
0.039.
039.
039.
1.039
Ha.
kilonewton. Very good. Y component.
0.6.
Formula 1.2 into
Sine
Sine 30.
Sine 30.
sine 30. equal to 0.6.
0.6.
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir. 0.6.
0.6. Both will be positive. So here let us show that. Let us show that here. So what is that x component? I will show here. What is that? 1.039
039.
kilonewton. This will be suppose x component and this will be y component. What is that? 0.6 kilonewton. Okay. So you should, so once you will observe afterwards.
1.04 sir,
huh,
1.039 ला 1.04 समजू शकत नाही का?
let it be, no problem. You can say
Ha, sir.
no issue. You can tell like that also because here 9 is there. So actually, I feel that that force was 12 kilonewton, but by mistake in statement it was 1.2. That's why we are continuing. Otherwise, it would have came 10.4 something. Let it be.
Yes sir.
Let it be. Don't worry about that. Procedure is important because in exam, don't expect same problem. You will get similar problem. That's why in our all subject procedure is important. Understanding concepts are important. Don't expect as it is, copy paste. You might be knowing this concept, copy paste. You should not expect that. Okay, your concept should be clear in such subjects. In such subject, you will get such subject in your further classes also. So don't expect values. Don't be trapped into values. Okay, values may come different. Once one value will change, your total problem will change. But procedure is important. So what we have did here, we have resolved that force into horizontal and vertical component. Now by considering this horizontal and vertical component, we have to calculate moment. Now by considering this, we have to calculate moment. Now, are you getting? Now after resolution, how many forces you are going to consider while for calculation of moment?
2.
Two forces.
2 forces. Which are they?
0.6 kilonewton and 1.04 kilonewton.
1.04 or 3 point, whatever. Okay, these 2 forces. Now are you going to consider that our actual force 1.2 kilonewton for calculate moment?
No.
sir.
No sir.
Because we have resolved into 2 component. Why we have resolved? का आपण resolve केला?
Perpendicular
Perpendicular
distance.
Perpendicular distance.
Very good.
We need.
Exactly, to get perpendicular distance. To get perpendicular distance between point A and line of action of that force. Okay, that's why we have resolved, because I have done one inclined line and it was not perpendicular distance. Likewise, okay, or it is very difficult to calculate perpendicular distance. That's why we have resolved. Now let us calculate movement. Here I will write therefore moment due to x component, moment due to x component equal to, what will be that? Let us say, I will say mx. What will be that? Who will tell? Who will tell? What will be formula? It will be positive or it will be negative?
Negative.
Positive.
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 Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So if this force, that x component, it will take back, so it will come somewhere here. Getting? So here it will come somewhere, that x component. Okay, x component, it will come here. Getting? So what will be the distance then?
120
120
meter.
it will be positive. So 1.039 into how much?
120.
SI युनिट मध्ये नाही का कन्वर्ट करायचं MM ला?
Let it be. Finally, we will give unit as kilonewton mm.
Okay.
What is this? So are you able to find this distance 120? How I have found this 120? Very simple. Calculate this 1.039 into 120. How much?
103.9.
1
Sorry, sir, I take 100.
124.68.
24.6.
124.68.
Yes, 124.68.
68.
68. What will be unit?
Newton millimeter.
Newton.
Kilonewton millimeter.
Kilonewton millimeter.
Kilonewton millimeter. Okay. Moment due to y component. Moment due to y component. What will be that? Let us say my equal to. Imagine or try to understand we are going to calculate moment at point A, and our 0.6 kilonewton component already I have shown. So force into displacement. What will be that? Is it going
Minus
to have
0.6 into 140
minus? Correct. Minus 0.6
into 140.
into 140. Exactly. Very good. Tell me the value.
Minus 84.
Yes. Minus
84.
84 kilonewton millimeter.
minus 84
Kilonewton millimeter.
Kilonewton millimeter.
kilonewton millimeter. No issue. Okay. Therefore, final now. What we have to do now? Suppose total final. What we are supposed to do?
Addition of moment of force.
Total moment. Total moment MA equal to what will be that?
mx plus my.
mx plus
My.
my equal to 84 means this 24 minus 60 40 40.68 something. Just check.
Yes, sir. 40.68.
40 is it correct?
40.68.
40 point
0.68.
68
kilonewton
millimeter.
millimeter. So what will be our conclusion at the end?
Body will rotate in clockwise
Rotate at
direction.
clockwise direction.
Body will rotate in clockwise direction. Once that force of how much? 1.2 kilonewton will be applied at point C. And once that rotational effect at point A will be clockwise. And that moment we have calculated. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? So
Yes, sir.
calculation of distances, resolution of force. We have seen many more problems for resolution. But here resolution of force is a part of this problem. Okay, initially we have just resolved here. You can see here just a resolution we have did in one step. Okay, that's why I was telling in which case you have to take cosine function, in which case you have to take sine function. Okay, likewise here after number of forces will be there in one problem. It is to be again resolved step by step. Then we have to consider sign convention for moment, that also required. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Just check. Yes, is it different or this? Okay. Here statement is not given. So write down the statement. Find moment due to all forces. Find moment due to all forces at point D. At point D. Moment due to all forces at point D means what we are supposed to calculate? MD. We want to calculate MD in here. So just read for 1 minute. Okay. Have you observed problem statement? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So this angle is 30, yeah, this 16 into 1. How many forces are there in this system?
Four.
Four
Four.
forces.
Four, sir.
Four.
Forces are there. So are you solving or shall I solve?
Solving, sir.
Okay, continue. Very good. Hmm.
Sir,
Yes.
minus 331.12 kilonewton meter.
Okay, I will note down at last. We will check your answer. Don't worry. Tell me.
Minus 331.12.
MD equal to minus
331.12.
331.12. We will check. Unit will be kilonewton.
Kilonewton meter.
Very good. We will check. Don't worry. Let us solve each and everybody, then we will check.
Sir.
What is answer?
Minus 337.5.
37.
337.5.
0.5. Okay. A little variation. I will note
Sir.
your.
Miles minus 332.12.
Okay. Shall we solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give attention here. First, give attention. Whatever it may be, you have solved. Here we will solve quickly. Let us consider for M1 moment M1. So what will be that formula with respect to point D? How will be the effect
P4
due to
into
force
D.
55 kilonewton at point D, clockwise or anti-clockwise? If you will fix point D and if you will imagine force 55 kilonewton is applied at point A, how this object will rotate, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise. So it will be minus. So minus 55 into what is perpendicular distance between point D and point A? 2.5. What is this? Am I audible?
सर
Yes,
पॉइंट
sir.
बी पासन
Point-
काढायचं ना.
2.5.
Point?
पॉइंट बी पासन मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स काढायचं सर.
2.5.
And perpendicular distance 2.5.
If distance between P1 force I have taken 55 kilonewton. If and we want to calculate movement at D, here I have written on corner.
Yes sir,
not-
yes sir.
Or you have taken point B. What is answer?
Yes sir.
What is this answer?
सर मी कॅल्क्युलेट करताना बी घेतलो.
Whatever it may be. Now you tell me calculation. Forget about you. What you have did now. Start 55 into 2.5. Tell me first. Time is running out.
Minus 37.5.
Minus
37.5. 137.5.
Minus 137.
137.5.
137.5.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. M2. Which is M2 force?
P2 force.
B2
Fast,
force.
loudly, loud.
B,
Which is M2 force?
B at point B.
100, no?
100.
100 kilonewton.
So whether that movement will be clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
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 Very good. Anti-clockwise.
100.
Then minus, no? 100
100
into
2.
2.
2. Very good. What will be that?
200
200.
kilonewton. Minus 200 kilonewton.
Minus 200
Kilonewton meter.
kilonewton meter. Now third force. Is it possible at this stage to get its perpendicular distance from point D? Is it possible? As force
No,
is
sir.
inclined,
No,
or
sir, no.
or we have to
Distance is
resolve that?
zero.
Distance is 0.
No, sir, distance is 0.
We have to resolve that force. So how will be X component and how will be Y component? So it will just so third force is inclined force, neither it is horizontal nor vertical. So we have to resolve it. So what will be, tell me, what will be its vertical component? What will be its vertical component?
30 sine
30.
60 sine 30.
60, correct. 60
Sine 30.
30.
sine 30, correct, no?
Yes.
And what will be its horizontal component?
60 cos
60
30.
into cos 30.
60 into cos
30.
30.
60 into cos 30. 60 into cos 30. So irrespective, if you will calculate value, okay. If you will you will not calculate at this stage, let it be. So now out of these two component, out of this component, which component is passing through point C? We have resolved the 60 kilonewton force into two component. Y component is 60 sin 30 and another one is 60 cos 30. So which component which component is passing through point D?
60 cos 30.
60 cos 30.
X
Then
component.
X
then
component.
at this position there will be the rotational effect only due to vertical force. Only due to vertical force. Are you getting?
Yes.
Effect due to X component will be how much?
0.
Whether it will be 0. Am I getting your what is problem? Just check. I'm not getting your proper voice. So let us calculate M3. So what will be M3 then? Force into perpendicular distance. Which force you are going to consider, X component or Y component?
Y component.
Y component.
Only Y component. And how is the effect? Just check at point D with the due to this Y component, clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
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 It will be anti-clockwise. No, so minus 60 sin 30. What is perpendicular distance? Between point C and point D.
3
Or
meters.
3 meter.
It is 3. Tell me this M3. First, what will be this M3?
minus 90.
Huh?
Minus 90.
Minus
90.
90. 90.
kilonewton meter, no? Okay, M3 is over. Then M4. What will be the M4? First, which is M4 for? Force
70 kilonewton.
70 kilonewton.
70
What will be
kilonewton.
what will be that? Force into
0.
perpendicular distance?
0.
0. Distance
0.
0.
Perpendicular distance is 0.
0.
So 70 into
0.
0. So it will be 0. Sorry, it will be 0. Getting? Therefore, total moment MD is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. Calculate. Just we have to add.
Minus 427.5.
Huh.
Minus 427.5.
Minus 420.
27.5.
7.5.
27.5.
Sir,
27.
minus
Minus
427.7.5.
427.
427.5.
427.
27.
Minus 427.
Okay.
And
One.
0.5, sir, not 75.
Only 0.5.
What will be unit?
Kilonewton meter.
Kilonewton meter. So where you have committed mistake? Those who have told something 331, 337 something.
Sir, तुम्ही D point पासून घेतलात ना?
Hmm. हा
मला क्वेश्चन सांगताना बी ऐकू आलं तर मी बी पासून कॅल्क्युलेट केलं.
That's why I thought that there is confusion between B and D. That's why see here at corner what I have written. That total statement I have written in one word only. This MD is equal to how much that we have to calculate. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Shall I give one homework for same? For same, you calculate MB. For same, you calculate MB. This will be your homework. Tomorrow I am going to ask randomly and I am going to ask to start a video and show where you have solved this. This will be your homework too. Okay. Next lecture. Randomly I am going to ask anyone. Start a video and tell me where you have solved this problem. This will be your homework. Okay. At point D we found. Now you found. You try to find at point B. So for 60 kilonewton force, both component effect due to both the components you have to consider. That you remember. We will see next lecture. Shall we stop for today?
Yes, sir.
We will stop. Thank you. You can take break for 5 minutes. Rejoin. Thank you very much. Will you put attendance fastly so that I will note down?